Hey YouTubers, check out TonkaFindercom if you're looking for Tonka Toy Trucks, car toys, or battery-powered ride-on toys. You might want to take a look at TonkaFindercom. We are at the Tonka Toy Truck store. You see there are many Tonkas, many newer type Tonkas. Here's the old classic Mighty Tonka. Let's take a look at Tonka auctions. Here we have many Tonka toy auctions. The more classic or vintage or all metal Tonkas. There's always a great selection in auctions, and most of them are in really good shape. So TonkaFindercom. Let's take a look at battery-powered ride-on toys. Got a deal of the day here. Let's go to the shop. Look at all the battery-powered ride-on toys for the little kid or kids in your life. Let's see what's in the auctions also. Lots of battery-powered ride-on toys in the auctions. Just a big selection to choose from. Let's take a look at car toys. What we got here? We got a car toy deal of the day. Let's check out auctions, car toys. Matchbox and Disney, Pixar, Hot Wheels. Just a very large selection, which you might be looking for. Let's try Toys for Trucks here. Auctions. Hey. Look at all the stuff for model trucking. Toy cars and trucks. We'll go back to Tonka. Tonka Toy Trucks. TonkaFindercom, YouTubers. TonkaFindercom for a Tonka toy that you need. Thank you.